I think the Easter Bunny was here last night. Come over here. Duck. More bubbles for your bath?
Is she just putting them away?
Yeah. She's putting them in the cabinet. You got bubble bath? Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Who brought all these things for you? The Easter Bunny?
Yes.
See what else you got. Bubble Guppy bubbles?
Yeah.
We'll take those outside. Embry, I see some big stuff in the back.
This.
Okay, I'll hold this. New chalk?
Oh, Dad.
We'll take that outside too. Just set it down here and see what else is in your basket. Little books. We can maybe read those later, okay?
Okay.
Oh. Dora puzzles. You got a lot of puzzles.